We're Girivagari. I'm Priscilla, and that's Chris. And we've been a little bit busy lately. Why? Well, we're building a van. We need to get on the road.
Hey guys, okay, so today we're going to finish up doing the flooring. We've got a little bit more insulation on the back door and the side to do. I think at least with a solid door would have more, it would be a bit more accessible, a bit more usable. We can start to plot and plan where we want to put stuff. And then we should probably see the build taking shape. It's quite something putting all insulation and flooring down. It's a bit tedious and you don't really see too many results, but I think that's the hard part out the way, and now becomes the fun part. So yeah, I'm going to try and get cracking with that, and then we can move on to the good stuff. Alright, the last puzzle piece ready to go in. Now is the fan, so we can check if it fits.
Okay.
And you pass it.
Over the next 2 days, we were very patient. Obviously, having put the ceiling fans in, we had to seal them, make sure that there were no leaks. It did rain in those 2 days, so we're quite lucky with a little test. And after a little bit of quality control to check if there were any leaks, we're glad to say that there weren't. Then we decided to do the roof.
Wait, bring it down.
Sorry, my excitement.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Hey?
That's cool. cool.
Looks cool. Spray painted all of this, cut this down. Because obviously it comes for size of a caravan, it comes for size of a van. So you just cut it till it has 2 lines on it, but just measure for yourself as well. And you cut it, and then I just spray paint it. Spray paint is dry now. Looks pretty cool.